Hiya guys, hope you're all doing well. I've not made a video for a while, so I just got one of these, which is the new Switch. It's called oled model. I think it's probably a bigger screen, to be fair. I don't think there's that many differences on it. But this is the first Switch that I've ever owned. The last Nintendo console I had was a Nintendo Wii. So I've heard that the sports pack's coming out on the Switch, so I decided to go for a Switch. And I've ordered the sports pack as well, which is a 10-pin bowling and tennis and stuff. I'm sure you all remember it for the Wii. It was really popular. So that's coming out on the Switch, or it is already out. In fact, I've ordered mine, it's not here yet. So I've got my Switch here. I'm going to unpack this. This has got to be my latest unboxing video. I'll do it bit by bit. I'll record bits of the video and pause it where I have to. So let's get started and unpack the new Switch OLED. Okay, so I was just checking where the box opens. It opens for here. So it's got, like, is that the serial number under there? Yeah, it is. So it's, you just kick back the lid, and Nintendo's no mucking around inside the box. They've got the bits off on the top. There's no mad packaging. So this will be, I think that's the Nintendo Switch itself. So that'll be the console part of it. Then there's this. Oh, that's a big bit of cardboard actually. So we'll take that off. Let's have a look and see what's in here. So I'm over here. I had a wee bit of trouble opening that box, so I've kind of mangled it. So in this box there's two Joy-Cons. If you ever break these, you can buy these separate. I think they're about, in sterling money, they're like, what, £60 for a set, and you can get them different colours. You can get them blue and red and stuff, and green and orange, and yeah, you can make up your own Joy-Con colours, so which is quite cool. Also in here is this, so let's just switch over to here. So this is just your setup guide, I think. Yeah, so it's just showing you how to set it up and stuff to the TV, which basically, it's just like anything else. It's got an HDMI cable, goes into this back of the Switch, into the back of your TV, and there'll be a console part for it as well. Let me just check. So here it is. So this is white, so this is the pad for it, and it just sits in there, and then it connects to your TV if it's in there, or it charges if you're not connected to a TV but it is plugged in. It will charge up for you as well. You can also charge it through just using a USB-C, which I think probably comes with it as well. So I'll just see what else. Okay, so we've got a charger here. As you can see, the end date there, there's a USB-C. So that's you can use that as your charger, or you can plug that into this part here to put it on your TV. Also comes with an HDMI cable, which is obviously for this console here to the TV. This part's really clever. This is this is a control pad, so you connect your Joy-Cons to this, and it turns it into a control pad for you. So you basically just get them, and they'll fit into there and into the other side as well, because you've got two of them, and that'll make you up a control pad. You just click it all together and it makes you up a control pad. So which is quite cool if you're used to using like an Xbox or something with a controller. You can turn your pads your Joy-Cons into a controller with this. You can also get steering wheels and stuff as well if you want to do that. The last thing in the box is this. It's just a handle. You just clip it on, and it's got to be kind of carry strap on it. So that's what that is. So that's everything that comes in the Switch box. So you've got your Switch, your console, your cables, your Joy-Cons, your carry strap and your port for putting it onto the TV. So I'll give you a quick blast of what the switch has got to look like turned on. I don't know because I've never used it, so it will be a setup guide when I turn mine on. Okay, once you take your switch out the bag, the screen, it will look like this on the back, and there is your screen, which is, it is a decent size of a screen for playing games on, and it's got this bit at the bottom, and if you pull it out you can turn it into like a tablet. You can set it up so you can see your screen, or if you want to, I don't know, watch YouTube or something like that on it. It'll sit like a tablet for you, or if you just want to play like that. So that's the screen, setting it up like a tablet. It's got this handle, so it's quite flexible, so you can set it to what position you want it in, and then, as I say, you can watch like YouTube and stuff if that's what you want to do with it. Right, we're going to turn it on and set it up. So straight away it's got the Nintendo badge coming up. Okay, so it's telling you now what you have to do. So it's telling you to connect the two Joy-Cons to here and to here, so I'll do that. Okay, that's me done that, so we'll get some music. And then it's asking us what language you want to use, so you just choose your language. Obviously mine is going to be English. This thing, I would go with Europe. Oh, I need to go back, hold on. Back. So, I'm clicking the wrong bits because I'm doing this while I'm trying to hold the camera. Okay, so please read the important document carefully before using this console. So it's probably got some information in there if you want to read through it all. You can read through it and stuff. I'm not going to bother. So I'm just got to click next, and then it will set you up to your internet Wi-Fi. So I'll have to go and do that because I've not got my password on me. So I'll go and do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've connected to the internet now, so I'm just got to click OK again. It's going to ask you where you are in the world, so that's fine. I'm just got to click that. Switch, connect your switch to the TV. I've got to do that later. Detach your Joy controllers. Do not press any additional buttons when detaching. Hold the rear. Okay. So it's saying at the back. Okay, so it's got a wee button you press in. Let me just show you that. In there, and just grip them. Okay. Use the left stick to press next. Alright, okay. Oh, that's not the right button. Okay. A user will be added to the console. So this is just basically setting up your username and stuff like that, so I'm sure you'll get through the rest of it, no problem. But that's kind of my take on the new Nintendo Switch, so I hope you have fun with it. I may upload some videos of the games we're going to play on it. It'll be Wii Sports and Wii Fit and stuff like that. Mario Kart, so might get some videos. So that brings me to the end of my video for the Nintendo Switch unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please follow my channel, subscribe to the channel, We're trying to build it up, but it's really small at the minute. But if you would send us a subscribe, that would be brilliant. Thanks very much for watching the video, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, guys. Bye.